Alright, so what I've got here sounds like a knocking engine. Wife loaned it out to a friend and it came back almost 2 quarts low in oil. So if you guys can kind of listen to it, see if you're hearing the same thing I am, and let me know here on YouTube what is going on, that would be great. So here we go. Sounds like it's coming from the number 2 cylinder. And of course it gets worse the harder you rev it, and of course I don't want to do that. So you guys can kind of listen to this, tell me what you think, it'd be great.